Hello and welcome to episode 12 of Alternate History of the World. Let's get into it. So last episode, we saw the ending of World War II. Time to look at the peace treaty. Well, this is what the map looks like at its start of the war, with the sides, the red being the square line / the Ottomans, the blue being the circle / the Germans, the yellow being the Chinese, the yellow being the diamond / the Chinese, and the triangle, and the green being like the Soviets / the Brazilians / triangle. Yeah. And this is the map without the colors. Yeah. Very different. Very something. Haven't seen it in a while. Let's look at the new world in 3, 2, 1. There. Yeah. This is the peace treaty. And I'm going to need alliances for this. We can see that these countries here that were in the supporting of the Chinese here, these countries, they are united into one Triangle Alliance nation. The nation that was here got split in half, and this thing became independent. Yeah. Panama colony of Germany became Central American, and, well, that's all the changes in the Americas. Actually, nothing changed in Africa other than diplomacy. All these nations here, the Triangle Alliance was nice to them and let them just be. Yeah, they just got new governments. And also, these 3 German colonies became independent. Madagascar, Mozambique, and South Africa. They became independent. And with these, Oceania's now Chinese aligned. All this here is Chinese. These are 2 Chinese allies, which they already were. But these guys, these 2 got united. As we can see, they were disunited, but now they're united. Yeah. India is split, as the German area is split, and the Ottoman area is now got lost land and is an ally of China. Yeah. This is Europe. Yeah, Soviets don't exist, but the Irish, Germany basically controls all of Europe. Yeah, Central Asia is very different. So basically, countries here that's Chinese allied, and some of this goes to China. And pretty similar down here. Some goes to the Allies, some gets united and becomes an yeah. But now, time for the division of the Ottoman Empire. All of these areas here are independent nations. Time to talk about this, though. And, well, basically, these areas are occupations of the capital of the Ottoman Empire in Ankara. This area is controlled by Germany. This area here is controlled by China. And this area is controlled by Brazil. Yeah. And those are the 3 nations that control this capital. And that is going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Alternate History of the World. See you in the next episode. We will look at what happens after World War II. Bye!